Alright.
Gains, gains, gains. I'm the king of gains.
Nope. Cat. I did 7 plates.
Oh
4
yeah.
sets, 8 reps.
I've been gaining since I came out the womb. Alright. Getting gains, you know.
This is actually low as shit. Like, I see a lot of people on social media and they fucking bend their knees like 2 inches. I go as low
Yeah.
as I can without going on, like, your toes. You just want to keep your whole foot flat. That's fucking important. Get you shaking like a motherfucker. Halfway through the set. Wearing your mask like an idiot.
Yo, it's fucking hot, alright? What are you, the mask police?
I feel like my forehead sweats a lot more because my fucking hot ass breath is going straight into my eyes and forehead.
Uh, I can't imagine breathing your own breath after it comes out your body is very good for you.
A bit of seated leg curls, 4 sets of 8. These feel good. Just go heavy on these. Not like stupid ass heavy, but
My
heavy
PP still
enough.
burns from these.
I think I was doing 90 on these. I can't see the stack from here. I think I was doing 90 and then 100 on leg extensions. But they feel good. Squeeze them. Squeeze them at the end.
Yeah.
Like you got fucking 2.5 on the damn stack.
That shit burns, yeah.
It does. He talks too much, yo. Just do your fucking set, yo.
I talk too much.
Looking at me talking and shit while you're
You got
lifting.
me. You're right. My bad. Sorry.
There we go.
I shouldn't have created conversation when niggas were trying to talk to me. You're right.
Leg day is your favorite day, right?
Yeah. Love it.
See?
I can't imagine where I would be without leg day.
100 on this. This feels good. My legs are still like, I don't know, like it itches deep inside my leg. I can't explain it. It should just itch. I know it's not an itch, but it's like some sensation. Just that's how you know.
This nigga's really getting me to bring a Mark 18.
I wonder if there'll ever be a time where people are like, nah, you can't record. Because we know that you're on YouTube. We gotta take
Talking
advantage of this shit now. That's why I try not to talk about anybody in the background. Cause I mean, people are wearing masks anyway. So
Yo, what the fuck?
yeah,
Oh,
squeeze
okay.
these bitches at the top.
That shit burns. You ever
Wait,
got
40?
gonorrhea before?
Nope.
Me neither.
Do the Larry Wheels strat.
Yeah, I just realized that Larry Wheels was in that video of
Look
that
at
guy
this
who
shit.
popped his pack out the place.
Standing calf raise, 4 sets of 8. I didn't know this gym had this fucking machine. Cause I never come over to this corner. This is like near the yoga room. I never had a reason to go do yoga, so I didn't even know this machine was over here. But this is a good machine. There's one that you sit down to. We didn't do a lot this leg day because we were still sore from the previous leg day.
No, then we had to go get mom or something.
We were still tender. Like there was still soreness, so I didn't
There's
want to
always
go
gonna
too
be
crazy.
fun. I don't think there's ever gonna be a time that we go in the gym and we're not sore.
But yeah, squeeze these at the top. Go up as far as you can. Don't put your toes on it because you can't really
I
do shit
know.
with that. Put like the
I
ball.
keep like the
Yeah.
ball in my.
Some seated calf raises. There was a guy on the other calf raise machine. It was just a packed ass time to be at the gym. Like there were so many people here.
Yeah, it's deep in the background.
It just wasn't a good time to be here. So that coupled with we were sore and we had somewhere to be in like an hour. It was just a bad leg day, but next leg day will be a lot more thorough. and I'm gonna fucking rest up so I can actually do legs. But that's all there is for this video. This is the last set right here, and back day video next.